everybody, we will talk about 3D printed buildings. And if you're interested in this, please continue watching this video. 3D printing is an amazing cutting-edge technology. You will never know until it's explained how it works or how to use it by yourself. I'll talk about this technology as my specialization within mechatronica engineering. 3D printer has many sensors which are used to initialize the 3 axes to their home position. They are also protect the mechanism from damage. Microcontroller monitor the temperature and stepper motor, and are responsible for processing G-code instructions. An extruder is a mechanism responsible for feeding the printing filament into the hot end. I met Jessica. She's from London and she studied science at her university. I asked her about the thoughts that she has about this machine, so let's see what did she say. Hi Jessica. What the thoughts that you have about this machine?
I think 3D printers are really groundbreaking technology. So it allows you to be able to print parts of things if you've lost them. In my country, we use them to print toys. We use them to print things that you might not have in the field. So we use them to help with medical emergencies, somewhere where you don't have to transport a lot. So I think they're really good.
Okay, it's expensive when you use this technology in your country or not?
It's quite expensive, but in the last 2 to 3 years the price has really come down a lot. So recently, before I came out over here, they have adverts for families to buy 3D printers for their children. So it's becoming more common in sort of an everyday household.
Do you recommend the people there use this technology?
I think I would recommend it because it's great for commercialism. So it's great in terms of you don't have to go out and buy things. You just be able to get the pattern, feed it in and print things yourself. If you've lost a bit of a toy, if you need a screwdriver,
yes.
Anything like that.
Yes.
Three-D printing is a part of a process known as additive manufacturing, where an object is created by adding material layer by layer. Additive manufacturing allows designers to create complex parts of machines, cars, airplanes, and even buildings, at a fraction of cost, time, and standard needs. Now I will talk about the control flow of this operation. The first step is to create a model using a 3D modeling application. Then it's exported to a file in a common 3D data exchange format. This type of data depends on a complex algorithm that, it's a 3D science, 3D word science that generate the 3D word to zeros and ones that the computer can understand. Finally, save the model into slices. The result is a set of 2D counter lines that process to generate control commands to position printing head and laser beams. Do you think that we will use this technology in building our homes in the future?
3D print canal house construction technique. The 3D print canal house is printed with the XL 3D printer. The house design consists of several room types, which are assembled digitally and converted into one structure design. Each room is printed separately on site before being assembled into one house. This way the rooms can be carefully tested in a safe and easy accessible manner. Each room is different and consists of complex and tailor-made architecture and unique design features.
The structure is scripted and this sleeve is proper strength but also generates ornaments.